Hey Divi Nation, and welcome to another installment of our weekly Divi Design Initiative, where each week we've been giving away a brand new Divi Layout Pack for you. And this week, Kenny and the team have created an engaging design conference layout pack. It's got 8 pages included in the layout. It even has a speaker page and a schedule page, which are going to be really useful for you. All of the images and graphics used throughout really make the layout pop. And you're going to want to go ahead and check this one out. And go ahead and join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you use it. To use this new layout on your own website, you're going to first need to create a new page and then activate your visual builder. So I'm going to go to the WordPress dashboard, go to Pages, Add New. Give your page a title. In this case, I'm creating the home page. I'm going to deploy the Divi Builder and the Visual Builder. Then you're going to go down here to the Page Settings bar, and you're going to find the Load from Library icon. Click on that. You will see a list of pre-made layouts under the Pre-made Layouts tab. Just simply scroll down until you find the new layout pack. Here it is, your Design Conference Layout Pack. Go ahead and click on it. And here you can preview all the different layout pages available. We want the home page, so I'm going to click Home Page and go down to this green button and click Use this layout. Once the layout is loaded to your page, go ahead and make sure you save your page. Before you can load pre-made layouts from the Divi library like I just did, you must authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription. If you have already activated updates for Divi, you can find that under your WordPress dashboard under Divi Theme Options. And then you go over to Updates, and here you can see the username and API key for your Elegant Themes membership should be entered here, and that will ensure that you are authenticated. Once that is done, you should have access to these layouts without a problem. If not, you may be prompted to enter this username and API key when loading a layout to your page. Once you've created all 8 pages and added all 8 layouts to each of those pages, you're ready to create your primary menu. To do that, you're going to go to your WordPress dashboard. You're going to navigate to Appearance, Menus. You're going to go ahead and create a new menu by selecting Create New Menu up here. Give your menu a name. I'm calling mine Primary. And then save your menu or create it. Then once it's created, you can go over here to this Pages section and select all the pages that you have created. And click Add to Menu. Once you've done that, you'll see them pop up here in the menu structure, where you can then reorganize all of the menu items however you like. Don't forget to select Primary Menu as your display location, and then save your menu. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. I hope that you've been enjoying this Divi Design Initiative, and I really hope this layout pack is a useful addition to your design toolbox. I know that you don't want to miss out on any future giveaways, so please subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook so that you can get notified every single time we have something new for you. Thanks again for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.